In this nugget, we will learn the basic concepts of gas discharge lamps. In principle, there are 3 ways to generate light. By incandescent lamps, where light is generated by means of sending an electric current through a filament wire, or via LED lamp, where light is generated through diodes that emit light when connected in a circuit. This nugget will explain the third category, gas discharge lamps. Gas discharge lamps are a category of artificial light sources that generate light by creating an electrical discharge between 2 electrodes inside a transparent tube filled with ionized gas. The discharge can be compared with a lightning strike during stormy weather, where a reload of energy is transferred into visible light. Instead of a brief flash, the electric discharge in the arc tube is continuous. There are 2 types of gas discharge lamps, low pressure and high pressure. Low pressure gas discharge lamps. The 2 most well-known types of low pressure gas discharge lamps are fluorescent lamps and SOX lamps. In fluorescent lamps, tubes are filled with a small amount of mercury gas filling. These lamps typically generate ultraviolet radiation and some bluish light. By applying a phosphor layer, the ultraviolet radiation is converted into visible light. Mixing fluorescent powders of different colors in different proportions, lamps producing different tints of white light can be made. High pressure, or HID lamps. With respect to HID lamps, 3 different concepts can be identified, which are HPL lamps that are based on mercury, sodium lamps, or SON, that are based on sodium, and metal halide lamps. In HID lamps, the light is generated via direct radiation from the gas discharge. The quality of light depends on the elements used. SON lamps typically radiate yellowish light and are mainly used for functional outdoor lighting. HPL and metal halide produce white light. HPL lamps, due to poor energy efficacy, are being banned in the coming years. Metal halide, and especially the ceramic types, is very popular as they combine high energy efficacy with perfect color performance. The Master Color CDM lamp, widely used in retail lighting, is the perfect example of the success of ceramic metal halide. Apart from light generation, high-pressure gas discharge differs significantly from the low-pressure types in a way that due to increasing operating temperature, 5,000 degrees Celsius versus 30 to 40 degrees Celsius, and pressure, 20 to 30 bar versus 20 to 30 millibar. The discharge is much more intense in high-pressure gas discharge. This also results in much more compact light sources. Gas discharge lamps do not work by simply connecting them directly on a main circuit. Operating a gas discharge lamp is only possible in combination with a control gear. Modern control gear has integrated functions that ignite the lamp and limits the amount of current in the electricity circuit by means of a driver. Without the driver, the power of the discharge continues to build up like an uncontrolled avalanche. In today's electronic gears, extra functions are integrated that offer energy saving and the possibility of dimming the lamp. Thank you.